Hello, friends, and welcome to Green University platform. Today we are going to discuss some of the important MCQs for geography as the domain subject, and some of them are discussed here as below. Like, which geographer out of the following belongs to France? So the answer would be Vidal de la Blanchy, and the others like LNC Sample, Huntington, Isaiah Bowman, they belong to America. Then which branch of geography does not belong to human geography? So physical geography, as it is obvious out of these following. Then we discussed this in the very first chapter, like who proposed the concept of neo-determinism. It is Griffith Taylor. Then which continent has the highest growth rate of population? It is Africa. Then which is the most populated country? It is China, of course, followed by India. Then which of the following is not a push factor? Epidemics. Then which attribute does not distinguish people? It is obviously going to be industries because we distinguish people on the basis of their age, sex, and occupation. Then the lowest sex ratio is found in Qatar, where it is around 311 males, I think, where it is around uh, 311 males per 100 females. Then development means qualitative change. Then in terms of HDI, we have Norway topping the list. Then coffee, sugarcane, rubber, all are plantation crops except wheat. Then growing of flower is called floriculture. Then which of the following does not follow monoculture? So as the name suggests, mixed farming. So dairy farming, plantation agriculture, commercial grain farming. In all these, we are following monoculture. So as the name suggests, mixed farming. In mixed farming, we are not following monoculture. Then, which one of the following types of industries produces raw materials for the? These are obviously basic industries as they are going to provide the raw materials required for the other industries. So you can see that in questions like these you can use your common sense and find out the answer. Like obviously raw materials are going to form the base before you produce any finished product. So obviously industries that are producing these would be called as basic industries. Then similarly in terms of the question related to monoculture, then activities that transform raw materials into valuable products, these are secondary. Then which of the following is a tertiary activity? It is trading. Then jobs that are involving high degrees and level of innovations, they are culinary activities, as they require skills and you need to think and research a lot. Then which mode provides door-to-door services? It is obvious that it is going to be roadways. Then which mode carries light value goods? It is airways. Then country having the highest density of railway network is USA. Navasheva port is located in Maharashtra. So as I told you, you need to be familiar with the location of the ports. So for this, please, I'm reiterating again, please go through the maps. Then trade between two countries is termed as international trade. Then landlocked harbor, Vishakhapatnam. Then natural source of air pollution are volcanoes because when they erupt, they are producing a lot of soot, ash, and smoke, and release of gases as well. Then land degradation is not the result of forest, of course. Then population of an urban town in India. For a place to be designated as urban in India, it needs to have a population of 5,000 persons. Then, which of the following types of economic activities dominates in all rural settlements? Obviously, it is going to be primary activities. Then, when export is more than import, we say that the trade is favorable. Then, which is not included in SARC, it is Iran. Then, river port, the only river port in India is Kolkata. This is very, very important. Then, how much part of the earth is covered with water? It is 71%. We usually say 75%, but nearest to that would be 71. So we are saying 71. Then which of the following has the highest use of groundwater? Punjab, because it is agriculturally a very rich state. Hardest mineral is diamond, as we all know. Then ferrous mineral, iron ore. Ferrous means iron, so obviously it is going to be iron ore. Then which type of settlements are found in alluvial plains? It is going to be cluster. Then Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, of course, Indus. We all know that. In administrative town, we know that state capitals are usually the administrative towns. So in this context, it is obvious that Gandhinagar would be an administrative town. Then lignite coal is found in Neyveli. Then the average density of population of India according to 2011 census is 382 persons per square kilometer. These figures are very important, so go through them again. Then state having the largest population is Uttar Pradesh. Then which state has the highest sex ratio? It is Kerala. Then which is not a push factor? Entertainment is obviously not going to be a push factor. Then, which of the following is the main reason for male migration in India? Work and employment. So, whenever there is a better employment opportunity for someone, it is obvious that people will migrate to that place. And in India, we have male selective migration, and this is due to work and employment opportunities available in some other place. Then, maximum number of immigrants is received in the state of Maharashtra. Then average HDI value of India is 0.502. Then highest percentage of people living below the poverty line is Bihar. Then highest literacy rate, as we all know, is Kerala. Then India is the leading producer of which crop in the world? It is jute. Then golden fiber. Jute is also known as the golden fiber. Then lastly, which one of the following is a rabi crop? Rabi means crops that are grown in the winter season, and it is gram. So you can see that these are some of the important questions that might come for the exam, and so please go through every chapter minutely, because it's all factual based, and rest you can find out some from your own understanding and common sense as well. So that is it. Thank you.